Small towns and cities continue to face the acute cash crunch which has cropped up in the run-up to the new financial year. In fact, long queues have resurfaced outside ATMs yet again, and even as several bank counters in Tier 2 and 3 towns have gone dry. Let's get in Neha Botra, who joins in with more details. Neha, how bad is the situation and what really is the Reserve Bank saying in response to this?
Well, around the 1st of April, we thought this is just a blip, and the fact that many pockets across the country, including cities, were seeing ATMs run dry was attributed largely to withdrawal pressures arising out of the closure of the financial year. In fact, when we investigated this further, we realized that the problem is far more than what it appears to be. In fact, we visited many Tier 2, Tier 3 cities to get a pulse of the problem, and we found out a severe cash shortage which is really crippling many of the SME segments and even expenditure patterns in many of these places. Now, do remember 90% of the economy has been depending on cash, and the transition to digital modes of payment has not been as smooth in many of these places. In fact, we are also given to understand from banks we interacted with that the supply of money coming from the Reserve Bank of India has seen a decline. It used to be close to 12,000 crore rupees before the note ban, and this has dwindled to 5,000, 8,000 levels after the note ban, 5 months after the note ban. So clearly there is a shortage that we are grappling with. In fact, many places in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are seeing a shortage to the tune of 40%. Now, this is something important and it requires to be flagged off, because do remember that the rural economy has been supporting and even boosting consumption patterns across the country, and with non-availability of cash, this is something which is really choking the growth in many of these sectors across the country once again. All in all, in fact, we interacted with many bankers on the ground to get a situation pulse from them to understand how really this is panning out going forward. While most of them do expect the situation to normalize around June, they did indicate that with 1,800 currency chests across the country, there are logistical issues which are further stoking the problem, and this needs to be looked into. And this is something that has led to many of the ATMs operating at just about 35% of the capacity. Do remember that an ATM at one time can supply close to 30 lakh rupees, and with just about 35% being filled and refilled, you can imagine the kind of cash crunch many of the smaller cities in the country are facing. In fact, we reached out to many people in these cities to get a pulse on the problem, and this is what they had to tell us.
एटीएम पे आया, पैसे है ही नहीं एटीएम पे। 4-5 दिन से ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, पैसे हैं ही नहीं एटीएम पे, किसी भी एटीएम में पैसे नहीं। सामने HDFC पे देखा, अब इधर आया, सब पे आ रहा है, पैसे नहीं है। बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है। अब जेब तक में पैसे नहीं है, अब सारे पैसे तो पहले ही जमा हो गए।
अब ये मेरा 8वां ATM है जहाँ पे कैश नहीं है। कल से अब तक मैं 12 ATM पे जा चुका हूँ जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है, जहाँ पर अगर कैश है तो, लेकिन जहाँ जाओ तो ATM वो पहले से ही नहीं है, पहले से वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है।
कहीं भी पूरे शहर के अंदर कहीं भी कैश नहीं मिल रहा है। एक इसी ATM पे नहीं, किसी भी ATM पे जाते हैं वहाँ नहीं मिलता है, और चेक भी काट के रखा है। करीब 15-20 दिन हो रहा है, ना बैंक के चेक ले रही हैं, ना वो पेमेंट दे रही हैं।
अभी ट्रांजैक्शन तो अपन ने उस पर ये लगा दिए है, 5 ट्रांजैक्शन के लिए उसका अपन चार्जेस लगा है, लेकिन वहाँ पे तो भी पैसा हम ट्रांजैक्शन भरने के लिए जब कस्टमर तैयार है, लेकिन अदर बैंक का भी पैसा नहीं मिल रहा है।
दिन से मैं वापस जा रहा हूँ और तकलीफ बहुत है। बच्चों को पढ़ाई के लिए पैसा होना था, लेकिन मैं पैसे नहीं दे पाया वहाँ पे स्कूल में।